Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here to talk about the Xperia 1V or 1.5. It's the 5th generation of the Xperia 1 series. So this is pretty big because it's their flagship phone, but I really wanted to answer one question when it came to this phone, and that is, has Sony finally done an amazing job of automatic photography? Let's find out. So with this phone, I wanted to do something different. I recently did the Xperia Pro I, and that one had a 1-inch sensor really geared towards photography. But this one, I really wanted to see Sony's claim. Now, Sony smartphones are long. They have extra features that really do stand out, especially if you are a cinematic or a creator to begin with. I don't know any creator that doesn't have at least one of these in their studio or in their home just to have and be able to use for certain abilities, such as the manual photo and video taking abilities you get, using it directly to your Sony Alpha cameras, which honestly, we all have Sony Alpha cameras at this point, I feel like, if you're an influencer, and it can be used as an external display for that very reason. It has amazing audio recording from microphones, again, just bringing the real creativity to Sony. And then you get extras like Xperia Transfer. Don't knock that because it's so important. So many other smartphone brands don't have it, like the Pixel, that allow you to transfer every single thing like this at any point. It doesn't have to be when you first got it. Like for instance, I was able to set this up and then do this transfer later, which is something that, again, a lot of smartphones can't do. Gaming enhancement, always love to see that. Creator app. This allows you to wirelessly connect to Alpha cameras and control them, use them as remotes, use them as remote monitors, everything you have right then and there. And then finally, Sony PlayStation Remote Play. This one is going to be something that I focus on in another video, so make sure to stay tuned for that, because with the PlayStation Portable coming, I'm really going to test this and see how it works on smartphones and tablets. But that being said, Sony's claim to fame really with this one was that they have used all their fine-tuning technology that they brought to their cameras and now brought it to their smartphones to really truly start to play in the computational photography realm. Because Sony's already done the hardware better than anyone, in my opinion. You know how I know that? Because they make most of the hardware for everyone in this space. From Samsung to iPhones to anyone in the game, it's usually a Sony camera that they are using in their smartphone. So they've already done the job of hardware, but now they're really getting into the computational photography more than ever for basic mode. And that's what I really wanted to see. So I took a bunch of photos when traveling. Yes, I went to LMG in Canada, all these kind of fun things. And it was really cool just to see how well this would do. I also am very happy to see, camera and video just quickly switch between the two. And again, everything is simple and laid out for you. You even have this really cool effect for a bokeh effect, which I have loved on their Sony Alpha cameras. And again, bringing that technology to here is just a really great feature, while still being able to shoot in lots of different modes. My favorite, of course, being in 1080p at 60 FPS. So finally, with this basic mode, I can honestly say that Sony definitely stands out when it comes to their photography. Like, Sony's have already been great phones, to be quite honest, and for creators, they offer a lot of great things to be able to customize your video shooting, to customize your photography. But the fact that I can now hand this to my daughter or my wife, and they can just click, take an amazing picture, no setup, no knowledge on it needed, that is really cool. And I think the Sony 1V has finally gotten to a whole nother level with this for the brand. So yeah, if you are new to the Sony Xperia lineup, I would highly recommend the 1V if you just want to be able to take casual photos, but still have all of the features that Sony offers to make themselves different, and honestly still one of the best split screens in the game. Just because of that aspect ratio, you do just have such a wide angle view. I absolutely love the Xperia, and I'm curious to see what Sony brings on the next one, because now we have great auto taking. We had amazing manual one in the last one I reviewed. So what's the next one gonna bring? Very curious, Sony. Have you ever owned a Sony Xperia? And if so, which one? Also, let me know what other smartphones I should be checking out, because I feel like I'm getting a bug to check more and more smartphones out in the upcoming months. Thank you guys always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.